Hello and welcome to another Pizza Ramblings. Today we're going to make a pizza with some of the dough that I made the other day, which is Caputo Nuvola Poolish. As you can see, it looks pretty ready to go. And the pizza I'm going to make today is chicken, which has been marinated in a ribbon wing sauce, fiordo latte, shiitake mushrooms which I've previously cooked in butter, and I'm going to dollop some Nduja on there as well to give it a bit of a kick. So just get this dough out of here. There's plenty of air inside the inside this dough. As you can see, it's quite nice. So just stretch her out a bit. In the process of getting a nice cooking area built, I've got a marble slab to go on here in the future, which will really make things nice. So, looks good. I've got my tomato sauce, which is San Marzano's, which I simmered down to get rid of the moisture out of the tomatoes and make the sauce a little thicker, which makes a real good juicy pizza. So now, stick on some fiordo latte. Shiitake mushrooms, chuck them on, some onion, this is the marinated chicken, and then this is my Nduja, so I'm just going to dollop in areas here and there. Oops. Just to give it a little bit of a kick and do nicely. Okay, so let's get my peel. Onion, probably a little bit more cheese, and that is looking good. Okay, so time to launch, and in she goes. Looking nice. See the Nduja bubbling away. That'll do. So there we have it. Looks quite nice. See the Nduja, chicken, onions. Nice. Get the air in that. Yeah, overall, it's very nice. Let's see what it looks like inside. Yeah, that's really good. So there we go. I'm going to go and eat this now. Caputo nuvola, Poolish, chicken, Nduja, shiitake mushrooms, onion, fiorda latte, San Marzano tomatoes. Lovely. Enjoy.